Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. So I have a Stitch Fix that has been here over a week and I need to get it back in the mail. I also have a daily look. I just literally have no time right now. Life is really busy, but this is a big Stitch Fix box. I am gonna pause my subscriptions probably about a month or so on here just because I need to, but I'm gonna get these up. And Stitch Fix does come with a prepaid mailer, and it's through United States Postal Service. So you can just drop it off at your post office. If it fits, you can put it in your mailbox. Anyway, it is $25 or $20 to get styled. If you use my link, you'll save that $20 styling fee. You'll get $25 credit towards your first purchase in here. And anything, it'll go towards like anything that you decide to keep in the box. They send you 5 items. They're not necessarily outfits. If you're looking for outfits, and like Trendsend would be a good one because they send full outfits. This is 5 individual pieces that your stylist thinks that you would like. You can get these boxes on demand. You can get multiple boxes in 1 month. I have the Style Pass, so I pay like $49 once a year, which they credit, and then I can get as many boxes as I want without a styling fee, which is really nice. I don't know if that program has like opened up to everybody. I've had it for several years now, so I gotta say it's probably outside of the pilot program at this point. But anywho, let's go ahead and see what we have. So just let me give you a peek because it looks like there's shoes in here. You can see the bag down there, and there is our little baggie. So, or our bundle. Let's get into this right here, and then we'll do the shoes at the end. All right, so I'm on my lunch, so I have to get this done, and we have our price sheet. And I have Carly is who styled me today, so let's get in and see what Carly sent. All right, so first thing looks like maybe a cardigan or a sweater. I can't tell here yet. Oh, sweater. Looks like a beautiful sweater, but it's like 80 degrees out today. It's hard to look at a sweater when it's this warm. And our forecast coming up is all beautiful weather. So this probably wouldn't get any love until next year. This is a Market and Spruce in a small Chloe Hart cable knit sweater. Pink, I do love it. I think it's beautiful. Definitely something that I would wear. It's just definitely a winter item, and I'm packing all of my winter stuff up now. Let's see. It is a Stitch Fix exclusive, meaning you can't get this unless you buy it through Stitch Fix. This design is only sold. Very interesting. So it's a cable knit, but can you see it says the hearts on it? The pattern? That's really cute. What a beautiful thing that would have been for like for Valentine's Day. Really, really cute. And I like that it's a V-neck as well. It feels nice. I don't know what it's made out of. It's not like super soft, but it's not rough either. Okay, so it's got 96% polyester and 2% spandex. That's what's making it a little softer. So I do like this. Very, very cute. I'll put the prices up on the screen when I try everything on, okay? This, I don't know about this. This is the Montgomery Post gathered pont knit top in navy in a small. And it's by Montgomery Post. So I like the material, and I don't mind that it gathers. You can see it's wrinkled. It's this bottom piece that I don't think I love, this like asymmetrical down here. I mean, maybe it's going to be cute on. I feel like it would be nice and fitted, and maybe it's going to be cute. We'll try this on. I'll try not to judge until I try it on because I do like the material on it. Then I have this bright red. This I like a lot too. This might be another. This is 9 Britain. This is another Stitch Fix exclusive by 9 Britain, and this is the Lomi square neck knit top in red, size small. This is something I could wear now for the winter or for summertime. Really cute. Oops. Then it looks like I have a pair of jeans by Just USA in a size 6 petite. They are the Naomi mid-rise slim bootcut jeans. And I like that they are a little bit of a lot of a lighter wash here. Come down and you have a little boot cut. These are cute. Although now my weight's going down again. So it's summertime. So like I was kind of like in my 6s, and now I'm going back into 4s again, starting to lose all that from probably running around with the kids for baseball. All right, so let's get into here. These look like they're a sneaker by Dolce Vita. Ooh, I wish I had money right now. These are cute. Really cute, just sort of casual little sneaker by Dolce Vita with the tan, white, and then an orange stripe. Really cute for summer. Really cute. I'd probably get them so filthy dirty though. Anyway, we're gonna try everything on and I will be back and we'll see how it all fits. So stay tuned, friends. Okay guys, this is a great sweater. I'm already dying of heat, but it is, let me just tell you how much this is. This is such a great price too. If any of you are still having cold temperatures, if this is available, you might want to get it again. It's the it is the Market and Spruce Chloe Hart cable knit sweater. This is a small, it is $33.97. Such a great price. The other thing I have on is the Just USA Naomi mid-rise slim bootcut jean, $64, also a good price. And the sneakers fit really comfortably and they're cute. DV by Dolce Vita Valet sneaker, and they're $60. Let me back up and show you guys this outfit. I'm burning it up. All right, so here's a sweater. It's not too long. It's really great, especially for a short girl. I'm gonna try to just stand up here. Let me move this little guy over here. All right. Oh, and I've got the sneakers on with them. I don't know that I would wear these sneakers with like a boot cut. Just me personally, I would wear a boot with them or something with a heel, but these are cute. And in looking at the sneaker, it looks more coral than orange. So, and she recommended wearing this and the sneakers together and the jeans. So the jeans fit really good right now. They have plenty of room in them in the waist and everything too. Really cute. All right, we've got 2 other tops to try on, and that's coming next. Also, if you're new around here, make sure you stay to the end because I'll have close-ups of all of the clothing on at the end. Okay, I have that asymmetrical top on. The material is kind of like a lycra feeling material. It's really stretchy. It's comfortable, it's fitted, it definitely tucks in the waist for you. I still don't like the long part on it. Some of you are gonna love this though, and others are going to not. This one just isn't me. I've never really liked these asymmetrical things. Sometimes I'll do that with a dress here and there, but this one just isn't me. But I could see this would wear a nice piece of jewelry, would be really cute with this. What is on me? And let me just back up. So it does bring in the waist. So if you're looking for something to kind of snatch the waist in, this is a nice one. And I think this would look cute styled right. I just don't know that I even have anything that would be cute with this. This is also a super great price. So let me tell you about that. All right, so this is an indigo. It's it's a navy. The Montgomery Post Savannah sleeveless. I don't know what it's cut off here, but top in navy. This is only $19.97. It must be on sale. Great quality for this price, and it's cute. It's just, this one just isn't really my style, but I do think a lot of people would love this, and it does an effortless snatch of your waist, which we always love. We love when clothes do that for you, and you don't have to fuss with it. So nothing to do, just slip this on and go. Really great item. I have the last item now is going to be the little red top, and I will try that on next. Okay, I love the bright pop of color that this gives. I like the square neck on it. And I like the material. It's ribbed, which is really nice. I don't know if you can see the ribbing, but it is ribbed. And then, and just stretchy, it feels good on. This is definitely a great layering piece to put under cardigans, under blazers, or just on its own with a pair of shorts. It would be really cute. I have it tucked into the same jeans with the same little sneakers on. It's cute. Let me tell you the price of this. So this one is 9 Britain Lomi square neck knit top in red small. This one's only $39. So this is another really great price point for this piece, and it feels really nice and well made. So yay, this is a great one as well. I kind of want to keep this. I always get compliments when I wear red, every single time. There's certain colors, you know, you wear that people are like, that looks good on you. White, red. I also get that with certain blues, or like a mint greens and things like that, or an emerald green. Those are colors that people typically like on me. So just curious if you wear the colors people like on you often or not as well. Just comment down below. All right, friends, I'm going to take a couple of pictures of this. Everything's going to be at the end. If you are interested, then my link will be down below for you. Don't hesitate to check it out, get your credit, and get a box. It is so easy to do Stitch Fix. It's not stressful because you can just try everything on at home in your own comfort. Like if you have little kids especially, I remember like having to travel like to the store and go in a in one of those mirrors that are not flattering. It was like mirrors all the way around you, and you've got babies in a stroller. So not fun. So that's actually when not when I started doing this. I think I was here in this house. I just don't really like, I don't like to do any type of shopping where I have to get undressed and dressed in a changing room personally. So all of my shopping, almost all of it, is done through these boxes, different types of boxes, but sometimes I have to go out and try something on, and I just hate when I have to do that. So whatever your reason is for not wanting to leave the house, maybe you're just too busy. That's where I'm sitting right now. I coach, I have two YouTube channels, I work full time, I've got a bunch of grandbabies. So for me, I don't have time. So this is the best option for me. But stay tuned, all the photos are coming up at the end. And let me know what your favorite items were down below. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Bye.
I was sitting at a cafe, staring out the window, dreaming of a love like fire. Every moment led me to something, but I never could get higher. I was thinking one day maybe it happened. I believe in the magic.